Hey everyone, today we're going to look at a new feature we have, which is putting options on the user side rather than just on the admin. So let me show you what I'm talking about. First, we want to log in as the admin. And in order to update these settings, you need to go into your user that you want to change. I'm going to go into Designer 1 here, and you want to turn on the Can Set Options button over here at the bottom. Hit update, and you'll see a bunch of rows populate with different options for this specific user only. And then we have the description, the defaults, and then if you want to allow this user to edit these options. So we have quite a few in here. You'll notice that the top couple are ones that have already been placed on the user side of our system, so we have those as being able to be edited as long as you have the Can Set Options button on. And then the following ones are new additions that we just recently put in. So we have all of these set so that your user will not automatically be able to edit right away. But if you want to make it possible for them, just check some of these boxes. I'll show you how this works. Let me turn some of these off too, just to show how this will work. So we go up. You can either hit update record over here or update settings down here. And now let me go log into this user. Now on the user side, you go to settings over under my account. And you can see now these are all the same settings that we were just editing before. You'll see some of these are no longer editable because these were the ones at the bottom that I did not check. Some of them I did check, and now I can change those. Show you that these will stay. Just put an 18 for all of those. Let's do no to these top two, and set the ones I just set to no back to yes. So now you've allowed this person to edit these settings and change these based within the rules that are on your entire account. But these are just kind of saying the defaults for this specific user. Update. So now these will stick. Let me head back over to the admin side. Let's head back to that user. You can see these 18s are here. The no's that I put in. And here's the other options that are there that I switched back to yes. Now say you have a user where you want them to keep a default closet depth of, say 15 feet just for, not working here. There we go. 15, but you don't want them to edit it. Just turn it off and it'll be grayed out on their side. So you have someone that's messing around too much, and you just want to restore them back to your default settings. That's fine. Just hit Can Set Options, update record, and now on their end they will not be able to see the options at all, and it will reset back to all your defaults on the miscellaneous page. So now all of these will apply to them once you have the Can Set Options set to off. One more additional thing to note, when you turn these on, if you already have people with Can Set Options on and they have some of these default closet, default islands set, they will keep their values that they have placed in there already. However, if you turn them off and then back on, it will reset all the way back to the defaults that your admin has placed. So yeah, so this gives your users a little bit of options, and if you have maybe some users that or designers that you trust more than others, and you want to give them free reign to mess around a little bit more in Closet Pro, this is a great way to do it. And to also keep it separate from people that you maybe don't trust, or new people, new designers that you don't really trust to be doing as in-depth stuff. So that's all I have for you today. Thanks for listening.